This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use jumper cables safely in the UK. Before starting, gather your essential gear. Safety gloves and eye protection are non-negotiable. Make certain both vehicles are completely turned off, with parking brakes engaged. For manual cars, ensure they are in neutral. Automatics should be in park. Always inspect both batteries and the cables thoroughly for any damage or corrosion before proceeding. With safety protocols established, it's time to connect the positive cable, which is always red. First, identify the positive terminals on both batteries. They are usually marked with a plus sign. Securely attach one red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Next, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the working battery. Ensure all connections are firm and stable. Now, focus on the negative black cable connection, which is a bit different. Connect one black clamp firmly to the negative terminal of the working battery. Crucially, do not attach the other black clamp directly to the dead battery. Instead, find a clean, unpainted metal surface on the dead car's engine block or a dedicated grounding point away from moving parts. This minimizes spark risk. Once all cables are correctly attached, start the engine of the working vehicle. Let it run for at least 5 minutes to begin charging the dead battery. After this period, try starting the dead car. If it fires up, keep both engines running for another 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order of connection, ensuring safety throughout the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.